Okay, Algebra 1, Semester 1, Unit 2, Section 3.4. This is a real short section. Only two problems in this section. All that we've done, different from last night's video, is now we have a creepy dude on each side of the equation. So what we need to do is gather them to one side or the other. My preference is that you make sure and gather them to the left-hand side, because you have an advantage of that when you get to the inequalities. Is it wrong to put them on the right hand side? No, but when you get to inequalities, if you have the variable on the right hand side, oftentimes you'll make mistakes in graphing. So I just coach you to put them on the left hand side right from the beginning. So to get rid of this minus 2k, we would add 2k to each side. So our first property here, we're adding on each side of the equality, so it's an addition property of equality. That wipes out. We get 9 minus 1k equals 17, because a negative 3 and a positive 2 make a negative 1. So now our next problem is, okay, we need to get this k by itself. We have a 1 right here next to it, but that, even though it looks like a minus 1, and you'll think, oh, add 1, no, because that's being multiplied by your k. You need to look further out on this side of the teeter-totter, and this is a plus 9. So to get rid of that plus 9, we would subtract. That's what we're looking to do first, is add or subtract. So that wipes out. We get our negative 1k equals 8. So that was the subtraction property of equality. And now we need to divide by negative 1 on each side. In order to get that k by itself, we get a negative 8. So that is the division property of equality. And again, you can check these by plugging that back in to the original problem and making sure it comes out true. Let's just do that real quickly. 9 minus 3 times negative 8 should equal 17 minus 2 times negative 8. 9, negative 3 times negative 8 would be a positive 24. 17, negative 2 times negative 8 is a positive 16. 9 and 24 is 33. 16 and 17, 33. It checks, so our answer is negative 8. Next problem. We've still got variables on each side, but in this particular problem, they want you to use distributive property first in order to solve this and clear those parentheses. So we take 2 times 3m, would be 6m. 2 times negative 4 would be negative 8, equals 5m minus 2. Now we're back to exactly what we did up in the other problem. Our first property here, though, should be distributive property. Not of equality, you didn't do it on each side. Now we subtract 5m from each side. That'll wipe out. This will become 1m minus 8 equals negative 2. The property that we did was a subtraction property of equality. We have m minus 8. To get rid of the minus 8, we add 8. And we have m equals a positive 8 minus 2 is a positive 6. So we added to each side, so it's an addition property of equality. Thank you very much. That ends Algebra 1, Semester 1, Unit 2, 3.4.